What if I told you you can create an adult coloring book in minutes using AI and Claude? Today, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step with a little trick that I use with Claude to make all this possible in under 15 minutes. I didn't have to have any tech skills, and I really didn't have to think about it a lot. So if you're not tech savvy and you want to create beautiful coloring books for yourself, these are ready to sell on KDP, or you can create them for your kids. You don't need to just do adult books. You can also do children's books. So are you ready? We're going to get into this soon. And stay with me to the very end, because by the end of this, you're going to be able to make your very own. So are you ready? Let's go to my computer. Alrighty, so here we are at the Artistly dashboard, and we're going to create an adult coloring book. And I'm going to do it in the dragonfly theme, and we're going to use Claude to help us out. So let's get started. So we'll go up here to Create Design, over here to your Fast AI Image Designer. From here, you're going to go to your AI Design Agents. And then from here, you're going to go all the way over to your Coloring Book Advance. This generator lets you create up to 30 coloring pages in bulk. And they will all be the same theme. It's pretty awesome. So now the generator asks for a book title, a theme, how many pages, and your illustration style. And then it asks you for the reference prompt. Now you can go ahead and put something just as simple as dragonflies, and it'll give you however many pages you want of different dragonfly prompts. But that's just being a little simple, and you can try it, you can test it, and I found that going over to Claude or ChatGPT and asking for the prompt gives you much better results. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're here now, and I'm going to go over to Claude, and I'm going to paste the screenshot that we just did, and then I'm going to ask it this. I'm going to press on the microphone, and I'm going to ask it. I'm using Artistly to build an adult coloring book. I want it to be in the dragonfly theme, like magical gardens and mystical, all different kinds of themes. I need 20 of them, but not from you. What I need is just a prompt, because Artistly creates these images on its own. And I would also like to fill out all the spaces, like the title and the theme. Could you help me with that for now, please? And we'll see what he gives us. Oh, we've got to press the arrow again to send it, and he'll come back. And here we go. There's everything that we need to fill out Artistly's generator. So here we got the book title, Dragonfly Dreams, a Magical Garden Coloring Book. So we'll copy that, go over, paste that to the title. So it's all copy and paste from here. Go to the theme, go back to your Claude, paste, copy the theme, copy, back over, paste. Here we want 20 pages. Illustration style, we're going to go with the adult coloring book. For the prompt, we go back to Claude. We'll paste the prompt. It actually looks like Claude has given us way more information than we need. And we don't need that. All we need to do is come back up here, and he gave us the title, the theme, the number of pages, the illustration style. I guess it doesn't know Artistly very well, but we already know that we're using the adult coloring book. We don't want the colored version. I'll show you what that means in a minute. But this here is all we need, this reference prompt right here. So I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go back over here to Artistly, and I'm going to paste that there. Okay. Now we need an intro page, which is our cover page, and our ending page. I've already created this in Artistly, and I used their image prompt generator in Artistly, and I created them there, and I can do another video on that. I'm just assuming that you already know, and I didn't add that to the video, and I've already got them generated. So I'm just going to go to choose from library, and I created this one here for the cover, and then I created a back cover. You don't need to have one, but I just created something simple just to add there for the sake of the video. And then from here, you would simply go to generate your coloring book. Now it's just going to take a little bit, and it's going to come up and process, and then we'll be able to read it. So that'll just take a moment. All right, our coloring book is ready. And as you can see, you can download the book. You can download your book in the KDP manuscript. This means that this coloring book is ready to sell on, Amazon. Amazon KDP. If you're into that, you can do that. I'm not into that yet, but I'm going to research being able to sell some of my books that I've created on Amazon. And that's it. You can download from there. So let's go ahead and read this, or have a look at the pages. It creates it into a flip book, which is a lot of fun for us to view it for a coloring book. So go page by page. That was the cover. And then these are the coloring pages. So you can see the back of each page is blank, so that way there would be no bleed through, or very less bleed through anyways. I think that would actually depend on the stock that you chose to print it in or have it printed in. But that's it. It's all different scenes, all dragonflies. This is awesome for a dragonfly lover. Of course, you don't have to choose dragonflies. You can choose whatever you want. I'm actually looking at this, like, I have a friend who really loves frogs, and she colors. I'm thinking I'm going to try doing a frog coloring book. And that's how you create a coloring book in Artistly in just moments with just one prompt. It's as easy as that. You know what? If you would have told me 6 months ago that I could do this, I wouldn't have believed you. I've put all the links and the prompts that I used in the description below so that you can follow along with this video. I've included the cover and the ending page. I mean, literally, follow along and make your own right now. Everything is down there for you. And if this helped you, please give a thumbs up. It really does help more people find it. And if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe, because I share these kind of videos and tutorials every week. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need to be willing to try. I'll see you in the next one.